worm. It's a little modern worm. You know, people as a person, we always remain healthy because of our immune system. God has been kind. We have the inherent defense mechanism in the body. And that defense mechanism, again, is the level of defense mechanism is determined by our status of immune system. Now, there are situations where a person's immune system may be to a great extent compromised or marginally compromised. Those are the reality vis-a-vis when we talk about a person's health status. And therefore, keeping oneself in a manner that the immune system does not get compromised is one part, very important. And I always used to talk about the nutritional approach to well-being. Now, why I talk about nutritional approach to well-being? Because what we eat, what we drink, what we breathe, and how we subject our body to either proper use or abuse will determine our well-being. That's complete science. Okay, it's not a myth, it's reality, it's truth. Now, therefore, we Garos used to call me Sam. Sam means we refer to curry. But Sam, the literary meaning of Sam is medicine. So we call Medak Samdak. Medak means where we cook rice. Samdak means where we cook the curry. So Samdak means we are preparing medicine. So rice and the medicine. So you have to understand the quantum of knowledge that has been passed on from generations to generations till our current generation. And this knowledge is supreme. That's why whatever we eat, okay, what are the ingredients, the documentation, the knowledge about what you eat, what ingredients are coming into your plate before you decide to eat. You know, those are very important. And that's how people have remained healthy in the past. Now the problem is, that's why people speak about the challenges of the health in the particularly amongst the millennials. Why? Because this whole invasion into people's earlier food habits, the whole tendency of people to really be a victim of your junk foods and other things. All these things have become part and parcel of the lifestyle of our young generation, and that is where we need to look at. And you have seen also, you know, at one point of time, okay, to remain fitness, one had to do dieting. It's not like that, Baba. You eat enough, you burn the calories, you remain physically fit, and that requires a physical conditioning. Now, physical conditioning also will require adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients that the body needs to remain healthy. That's why we always talk about, that's why I'm saying that, okay, the nutritional approach to well-being. And that is the mantra.